Use the serum cholesterol data for this question. It represents the HDL cholesterol levels for a random sample of women using a particular prescription drug. Remember to use with data in StatCrunch. I put that in case you get confused because we don't do that often. So we're going to find the 95% confidence interval for the mean serum cholesterol level for all women using the drug. And then it says if it's known that the standard deviation in the population is 7.1, what sample size should be obtained to estimate the mean number of not fat grams. Another question. That's what I do when I like to work on 4 things at the same time. The mean serum cholesterol within 1 point. So the mean HDL cholesterol within 1 point with 95% confidence. So we're asked to find a confidence interval, chapter 9, for the mean. So confidence interval for the mean. And the second part asks, find the sample size. So confidence interval for the mean, find the sample size. Okay. So I'm going to write a couple things down so we have that. It's a 95% confidence interval. And then for the second part, it's 7.1 for sigma, and we're within 1 point. And 95% confidence. All right. So I'm going to go find that data, the serum HDL cholesterol. So I go to StatCrunch. I'm just going to close the presidential data and go back to the blank window. Can you see the blank window?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So then I need to get the data. So I'm going to go to data and load from my groups. Pick my pie chart and scroll down to find serum cholesterol. It's right under the presidential data. And there it is. So we have HDL in one column. Pretty simple. So we want to find a confidence interval for the mean. How do we do that? Do you have the cheat sheet in front of you?
No, I don't. That's why I made a note to print it out.
Okay, so does Lita, Hannah, Nathan, David, John, somebody have that in front of you?
Random sample population, normal, or sample size. Let's see.
So we're trying to find the confidence interval for the mean.
Yeah.
Go all the way to the right column and it tells you what to
Okay.
do in StatCrunch.
Stat, T-stat, 1 sample with summary.
But we're going to use data in this case because we have data. But everybody see that? So it's always T-stats except when you need to find the sample size. Okay, T-stat. We have to put in the oh no, it's not with summary though. Let me do that again. So stat, T-stat, 1 sample with data because we have data. And we just pick our column and we go down to our confidence interval. 95% is what they wanted and click compute. Okay, so this is going to give us a confidence interval. Here is our lower limit and our upper limit. So we are 95% confident. That the mean HDL is between 54.185 and 60.630 when I round it.
Is this the answer for B?
That's for A.
Oh, okay.
So there's our confidence level interval. It doesn't say to put it in a sentence, so if you just put it as 54.185, comma, 60.630, that would work too.
All right, hold on there for just 1 second, please.
Are you with us, Kate?
Yep, I'm looking here. I'm just trying to jot this down really quick.
Okay. I took a picture of it.
Oh, you did? Okay, yeah, then I'm good then. You can go ahead
Okay.
and go.
So then the second thing we want to do is to find the sample size. So John, on the formula sheet, how do we do that?
The sample size.
So if we want to, it's on the second page or the other side.
Sample
you-
size for confidence interval
For the mean.
or the mean, yes. Okay, so we got to
So it says stat,
Z-stat,
d-stat,
one sample
one
with
sample
sample size.
with sample size. All right, I'm gonna have to get rid of all the writing. Sorry about that. I can't see. I'm gonna do it again so you can watch me. So it's stat,
Z-stat,
z-stat, one
one
sample
sample.
with sample
With-
size.
Yeah.
Okay. So we wanted a confidence level of 95%. They told us the standard deviation was 7.1. And they told us within 1.
Mhm.
So remember that within 1 means the width equals 2, because here's your mean, and it's 1 on either side. So 2 altogether. So that's the only trick to this one. So we have a width of 2, and then we compute and get 194. Any question? Okay. So my confidence interval was 54.185 and 60.630. And with it, my sample size was 194.